Good morning. Ow. Good morning. I hope y'all are having a fantastic Friday. Today is the day after Thanksgiving, which is officially Black Friday. And I think she's wondering who the hell I'm talking to. Ow, that really hurt. Anyway, I hope y'all had a really good Thanksgiving. I had really big plans yesterday to vlog. I was gonna vlog like all the cooking that I was gonna be doing. I was gonna vlog like family stuff and I was gonna start like early in the morning and show y'all the whole process of it. And I just gotta tell you, I was not feeling it after about 10:30 yesterday morning. It was just one of those really busy days. You know, you're cooking and you're cleaning and you're washing dishes and you're putting stuff in the dishwasher and you're still trying to handle like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it was just one of those days. So I decided not to vlog it. How was y'all's Thanksgiving? I hope it was fantastic. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, do you not celebrate Thanksgiving? I know a lot of my viewers are from other parts of the world, so I know Thanksgiving isn't a big thing there, but in the US it's like huge pandemonium. But I do know a lot of people who were not celebrating this year because of the whole COVID thing and they didn't want to infect anybody. That's kind of what we did. We just kept it really low key at home. Usually we have family come from Louisiana or they'll come from Florida. My mom's sister lives in Florida, so she'll come with her kids, and her kids and my kids just get along so beautifully. It's such a fun thing. But we decided with Lauren having COVID and stuff last month and her still having symptoms and stuff that it probably wasn't a good idea to have anybody over. A lot of people don't cook or whatever, but we're South Louisiana people. We cook a lot of food. We usually have like a spread of food across like the countertops, and especially being a Cajun family, it's just part of our heritage. I mean, we always have like dirty rice and macaroni and cheese and cornbread dressing and like 3 different types of meats and boudin. Desserts as far as the eye can see. I'm not even joking. That's just the way it is. That's one of my favorite parts of being a Cajun woman is all the foods. And if y'all been following me on social media, you probably know that I love to cook. It's one of my favorite things to do. I used to write recipes for a local newspaper when we lived down in South Louisiana. So cooking is one of my favorite pastimes. Trying out new recipes is always fun and interesting. So I did include like a little cooking, what do you call that? Like a speed through or whatever. I made a really good version of Augratin potatoes. So if you are interested in that, I will have back here all the way around here, and then this is the other part of our property. I just wanted to show y'all. I had a lot of people asking like, what does your yard look like? What does your garden look like? So this is the front left. I had to think about it for a second. So this is our blueberry orchard right here. So all those are blueberry bushes, and then I do a lot of gardening, so this is my compost pile. Then we have asparagus right here. This was a really big garden when we first moved in. I converted all this area to a garden, and it was a big flop. Like this dirt, I'm gonna show you what the dirt looks like. You see that? It's really rocky and kind of sandy. So it was just not gonna be a good first year garden. But we have some pear trees. Right here, they're losing their leaves. We have some apple trees. And then that big separating bush right there, I think that's goji berries. I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is what the side yard looks like. And I'm gonna take y'all on the other side. I'm kind of out of breath, so please excuse. So this is that walking trail that I was talking about a couple days ago on my Instagram page. This is where the legendary ground hornet's nest is. You have to go kind of around here and then back around, and then it's in the ground like a big hole. And the other day, I wanted to come out here and take a couple of pictures for Instagram, and I did, and didn't even realize until I was taking photographs that I had parked a golf cart over a live hornet's nest. So that was a lot of fun. I didn't get any stings, thank goodness. We came out here and we tried our best to kill them because we walk this trail all the time. So I don't want my kids to get stung. I don't want my dogs to get stung, or anybody else who comes down here. So we did our best to try to kill them, but I really don't know if we did or not, and I don't want to go check. So anyway, yep, this is the yard. This is where we trek all the time. And yeah, let's head back to the house. All right, y'all, so we just made it back from hiking about an hour and a half or so ago. I went on Instagram, did a couple things on there, answered some emails. I have Sammy sleeping behind y'all. I just let Amos in behind me. And now I want to do a little quick unboxing. I have a friend, if you watched my favorites haul, I think it was in September or October, I have a friend from Louisiana. She's been a really, really old family friend who created this adorable gift set. So she makes her own soap. She's been doing it for years and years. And she made these little Christmas gift sets, which is so freaking cute. So this one is the Ole Washtub, which is her business name. Ole Washtub, this is the Snow Kiss Sugar gift set. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it comes in this really, really cute box. And then she also has another gift set. This is called the Candy Cane gift set. So this is what this one looks like. But I wanted to do a really quick unboxing because this is so stinking cute. So if y'all are interested in picking up some of these, I will leave all of her links down in the description box below. So this is what the inside looks like as soon as you open it up. So this box smells really, really good. So let's just take out the first thing in here. So this is how they come wrapped up. This is super, super cute. And then Amos is coming. And then this one has a Snow Kiss sugar soap. So that is what this one looks like. It also has another Snow Kiss sugar soap. So this is what that looks like. You smell that? What's that smell like? What does that smell like? You wanna roll on it? This is the Snow Kissed Sugar Emulsifying Sugar Scrub. So this is what that looks like. Let me just pop up here. It also comes with another one. This is another emulsifying sugar scrub. That's what that looks like. Oh my goodness, it's like a stinking zoo around here. And then the last thing that is in the box, I think this is the last thing. Yes, this is the last thing. So this is the Ole Washtub Solid Lotion in Snow Kissed Sugar. And so you just undo this and then you roll it up. And this is a roll-on lotion and it works so, so well. So you just roll it on like that. Rub it on your skin, you rub it on your elbows. You can put this in your purse. Oh, that smells so fresh. So yeah, let's try to put him in the bed and then go clean that hellacious beauty room that we have. And yeah, y'all come along with me. So this is the entrance to my beauty room. As you can see, I have a shoe organizer. This is for some of my palettes. And then whenever you come in, this is just some junk on the floor. This is what the tabletop is looking like. I have contact lenses up there. I have makeup storage here, and then earring storage. I have stuff down here. So it kind of is a mess. This is makeup storage down there. I can also keep hair and makeup storage in there as well. And then in here, I need to organize that. And then these drawers as well. So I'm gonna get to that and then meet y'all back in just a couple of minutes for you. It's probably for dungeon is looking like. I have all of this nice and clean. I have the earrings nice and organized. All that is nice and clean. This is organized as you saw in the time lapse, and then I also cleaned all back here and straightened up just a little bit in there. I still have a lot to do in these bins, but I'll do that for another day. And then I also need to work on this storage. So this is some jewelry storage that I have in here. And then I have some palettes and stuff. These are the palettes that I really don't use very much, but I also have lipstick in here, and those are lipsticks that I use all the time. So I'll do that in another day, and I'll also do the Q&A on another day because it's starting to get late and we're about to eat dinner. It's leftover Thanksgiving food. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.